professional technicians. This summer, the choice is yours. We're cranking the engines with the 2019 Perfect Stop Power Sports Summer Sweepstakes. 6 lucky technicians will win the power sports vehicle of their choice. That's right. You get to choose whether you want to hit the road, the trail, the surf, or the snow with your brand new toy. The winning isn't only limited to hardware. Perfect Stop is also giving away 150 gift cards totaling $25,000. During the months of June and July, choose to purchase Perfect Stop products and earn sweepstakes entries. Your parts supplier will give you an entry card with a lucky numeric code. Just log on to PerfectStopSummerPromo.com to enter your code. If you choose to use My Place for Parts, even better. My Place for Parts users will automatically be entered with every qualifying Perfect Stop product purchase. Perfect Stop brakes, pads, rotors, calipers, brake fluid, and cleaner are the perfect combination for a perfect summer sweepstakes. So get ready to make the perfect choice. Choose Perfect Stop for all your brake job needs, and you just might claim a brand new power sports machine. Or walk away with a whole lot of cash. The choice is yours. Make it perfect.
Void where prohibited. No purchase necessary. Sweepstakes details and activities subject to change. For official rules, please visit PerfectStopSummerPromo.com.